Kevin's gonna make these into splines. Into splines. Chop them, glue them in, make it really strong. Let's make some splines. So that's what I routed, that groove. This spline is what we just planed to fit in there nice and tight. Obviously really, really tight. It's gonna be beautiful. Alright guys, time for a test fit.
Let's do a little test fit here. Okay. The test fit is successful.
Wood ass wheels.
So now we're going to go ahead and sand the panels because we won't have a chance to do that later. And then we're going to cut some splines and we're going to get to putting these doors together.
Enter Sandman. So Kevin went ahead and chopped down the splines as well.
That is correct. I did do that.
These are things. Fine specimen of wood.
And just so you can see, for you folks watching at home, hopefully. So we cut a groove in our long pieces called the stiles. And then we cut grooves on both ends of the rails. And so for people at home that don't have tons of tools, but if you have a router, you can route those ends, put them together like that, and fit a little spline in there to give you more glue area. This can also be achieved with a biscuit, but it's a little more difficult, but we're going to go ahead and glue this up, see how she looks. Wood ass wheels.
Great.